All you need to know about the Great Spotted Woodpecker. The Great Spotted Woodpecker, also known as the Dendrocopos major, is a beautiful and fascinating bird that can be found in many parts of Europe and Asia. This bird is famous for its striking black and white plumage, its distinctive drumming sound, and its unique feeding habits. In this article, we will explore the many interesting facts about the Great Spotted Woodpecker. Physical characteristics. The Great Spotted Woodpecker is a medium-sized bird, measuring between 23 to 26 centimeters in length and weighing around 80 to 140 grams. Some of its most distinctive physical characteristics include black and white plumage. The Great Spotted Woodpecker has a black back, wings, and tail, with a white belly, throat, and face. Red belly. Adult male Great Spotted Woodpeckers have a red patch on their lower belly, while females have a black patch. Strong bill. The bird's strong, chisel-like bill is perfectly adapted for drilling into wood. Zygodactyl feet. The Great Spotted Woodpecker has 2 toes pointing forward and 2 pointing backward, which allow it to grip onto trees and other surfaces. Habitat and distribution. Great Spotted Woodpeckers are found in many parts of Europe and Asia, including Northern and Central Europe, North Africa, Western Asia, Siberia. These birds prefer forested areas with a mix of deciduous and coniferous trees, such as oak, beech, and spruce. They are also known to inhabit parks, gardens, and woodlands near urban areas. Feeding habits. The Great Spotted Woodpecker is a carnivorous bird that feeds mainly on insects, larvae, and spiders. It uses its strong bill to drill into wood and extract its prey. Some of the wood-boring insects that the bird feeds on include ants, beetles, moths, termites. In addition to insects, the Great Spotted Woodpecker will also eat nuts, seeds, and fruit, particularly in the winter months when insects are scarce. Behaviors. The Great Spotted Woodpecker is an active and social bird that is often seen hopping up and down trees or flying between them. Some of its interesting behaviors include drumming. The Great Spotted Woodpecker will drum on trees with its bill to create a loud, distinctive sound that can be heard from far away. This drumming is used to communicate with other birds and to establish territory. Caching. During the winter months, the Great Spotted Woodpecker will store food in tree crevices or behind loose bark to eat later. Nesting. Great Spotted Woodpeckers typically nest in tree cavities that they excavate themselves. The nest is lined with wood chips and other debris. Conservation status. The Great Spotted Woodpecker is a species of least concern, according to the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN). However, its population has declined in some areas due to habitat loss and fragmentation. The bird is protected in many European countries, and efforts are being made to conserve its habitat. Conclusion. The Great Spotted Woodpecker is a fascinating bird with many interesting behaviors and physical characteristics. Its unique feeding habits and drumming sounds make it a popular sight for birdwatchers and nature lovers. By learning more about this species, we can better appreciate the beauty and diversity of the natural world.